A Silent Threat, a case study of oral malignant melanoma. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Melanoma of the oral cavity is a rare malignant tumor that develops from a malignant melanocytic or de novo from melanocytes within the normal mucosa or skin and appears blue, black, or reddish-brown. Oral melanomas develop quietly, with only a few signs, until they have progressed. Oral mucosal melanoma has a higher proclivity for metastasis and attacks tissue more aggressively than any other malignant tumor in the mouth. Intestinal melanoma of the head and neck is an uncommon type of cancer that should be counted among the deadliest. Malignant melanoma of the oral cavity accounts for only 0.2% to 8.0% of all reported melanoma, although it accounts for 0.5% of all malignant neoplasia of the oral cavity. Because most melanotic mucosal lesions are painless at first, the diagnosis is sometimes delayed until the ulcer or growth causes symptoms. The prognosis for oral melanoma is poor, with a 5-year survival rate of around 10% to 25%. Life expectancy is fewer than 2 years on average. Early detection is critical for effective therapy and the only way to improve survival and prognosis in patients with oral malignant melanoma due to its poor prognosis. To avoid oral melanomas, every single-colored lesion identified in the oral cavity should be treated with suspicion. An adequate inquiry because a colored lesion might expand, and it should be referred for a biopsy to avoid misdiagnosis. A 70-year-old female patient visited the outpatient department with the major complaint of a non-tender growth in the right back area of the maxilla for 1 month. The patient was known for consuming betel nuts and putting them in the oral cavity and chewing for long hours. A CT scan revealed hypodense soft tissue density that developed into a massive lesion that appeared to cover the upper right alveolar arch. The patient was diagnosed with malignant melanoma. The patient presented after 3 months and the size and extent of the lesion had increased. This study shows how the oral clinic is important in the diagnosis of oral ulcers and argues that early detection is necessary to enhance patient outcomes. Introduction. Oral melanoma is a rare and aggressive type of cancer that starts in pigment-producing cells called melanocytes, usually found in the skin but also present in the mouth. Unlike skin melanoma, which is often linked to sun exposure, the cause of oral melanoma is unclear. It mostly affects adults over 40, with men being slightly more at risk. This cancer typically appears on the roof of the mouth, palate, or upper gums and can look dark brown, black, blue, or even red or white if it's amelanotic, lacking pigment, making it easy to confuse with other conditions. Early signs are often painless and go unnoticed until the cancer grows or causes problems like swelling, bleeding, or tooth damage. Because it spreads quickly to lymph nodes and organs like the lungs and brain, early diagnosis is crucial. However, it's often misdiagnosed, especially when there's little or no pigmentation. Diagnosis involves special lab tests and biopsies. Treatment usually includes surgery, possibly combined with radiation or chemotherapy. Unfortunately, the survival rate is low, with many patients living less than 2 years after diagnosis. Regular dental checkups and attention to unusual mouth spots can help catch this serious disease early. Conclusions. In this study, a steady increase in melanoma in the oral cavity was detected, with the maximum increase at 16 years of life, and it is generally seen in the palate. Primary oral mucosal melanomas are physiologically invasive and extremely rare. Oral melanomas resemble other pigmented oral tumors in appearance. Any colored sore in the oral cavity should be treated with caution, and any colored sore that can be diagnosed clinically should be evaluated. Malignant melanoma should be included in a separate diagnosis of pigmented lesions by the dentist because early detection and action can lead to a better prognosis. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.